Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to add multiple pictures to your Instagram stories. It's super easy, so let's get started. Now the first thing that we need to do is open the Instagram app on our phone. Now there's actually two ways on how you can add multiple pictures to your Instagram stories. So let's head over to the first way. So you just need to click on the plus button located at the bottom middle part of the screen. Tap on that. Now click on layout here at the left side of the screen, and you can choose your layout to how many pictures you want to add. So let's just choose 6 pictures and click on the gallery icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on that to choose the picture that you want to add. And whatever picture it is, you can add it up to 6 images. And you just need to click on the check icon located at the bottom part of the screen. And that's it. That's one way on how to add multiple images to your Instagram stories. Now the second way is to click on this letter A icon and click on this image icon located at the top middle part of the screen, and you can select a photo to add. You can change the shape of the photo and drag it to wherever you want it to place, and click on this icon to add another photo, and you can add as many photos that you want. And that's it. That's 2 ways on how to add multiple pictures to your Instagram stories. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!